Hi guys, how are you doing? I was like kind of inclined or rather tempted to make this video because today just now I received a 10th email on the same subject, which I thought now has become important to address because why are so many people asking the same question? The question was, Doctor, we have gone through various groups on the Facebook and the social media, and they actually give me the names of other courses, which I wouldn't say, but I by now, if you would have done your research work, you would have come across two, three popular courses, and they were like, "Doctor, which one is the best, and what should we join?" I am not here to tell you which course to join because the way they asked the question, I mean, the candidates was, Doctor, which course is having more passing percentage? See, first of all, none of the course is going to guarantee you that you're going to pass. Passing comes from your perseverance, your understanding of the subject, and the way you attempt the paper. What the courses can do, including my course, like me being one of the mentors, we can provide you with the study material. Okay. Now, uh, what is the difference between my course and the other people's course? As I myself had joined one when I was attempting my ADC part one and I was thoroughly not happy with it. Uh, they hold this mass classes. They'll have Zoom sessions and they'll give you a set of questions, and you would be having a question answer solving on one, and as in you will get a turn, you will read out a question, you will solve it. That's about it. Now, what happens in that is not everybody has the same level of understanding of a subject. Like, I'll give you example of my own candidates who were enrolled with me. One of them told me very honestly, Doctor, I'm not so good in prosto. Simple. Fair enough, I understand. As a general dentist, we are not so much exposed to the cast partial dentures and the complete dentures. We do it, but we don't have a good understanding of it unless you practice and practice more about it. So I said fair enough, and I downloaded lot of PPTs for that person because it's not possible to read the entire prostho textbook and prepare for it, because not all relevant stuff is mentioned related to the exam in the prostho textbook. So I downloaded the key points and I forwarded to him, and he was very happy after that. So in my course, I am not holding any mass classes. Now, this is another question which I get to ask, Doctor, when are your online classes? You won't have any online classes with me. I cannot teach everyone the same thing because not everybody's understanding is the same. So you can, while studying, you will realize what are your plus points and minus points, your weakness in a particular subject, and then you can ask me, Doctor, how should I strengthen this topic? Then I can guide you. What is the point of me saying the same thing? If everybody's taught the same thing, then everybody should pass the exam. But that is not happening, right? People who are passing the exam are having strength in almost everything because they have studied that way. Courses are meant to guide you, like these are the things that you need to study, and it's a vast thing. It's not like A to Z and that is all. Dentistry is a vast subject. Not only the information, the ADC is asking questions in such a tricky way. So even if you know the information, you may not be able to comprehend the question. So I teach you how to understand and analyze the question. Information you and I both have of dentistry. You are a dentist, I am a dentist. Then why is it that certain questions you get right and I don't, and I get right and you don't? Understanding of the question is what is important. And of course, then comes your knowledge. So with my course, you have the freedom to ask me thousands of doubts, and I usually try to clear all of them up by the end of the day. So I have different voice notes from all the candidates. I give out a WhatsApp number which I have dedicated for just this purpose. Anybody would be asking me about prosto, endo, perio, pedo. It would be different kind of doubts because that's how your understanding is. And once that gets cleared, like just one day before, somebody asked me, Doctor, if the patient is on warfarin, aren't we supposed to stop the warfarin and do the extraction? Now, some of you might know it's not necessary if the INR is between 2 and 4. But he did not know this. So, what is the point of he waiting for an online class and me discussing absolutely a different topic? It's not going to clear his doubt. And the mentor in the online class does not allow one person to ask 10 different doubts on 10 different subjects because he has a limited timeline to finish the questions at hand at that point of time. So here you asked me, and I immediately replied, no, that is not the scenario. So instantly your doubt got solved. You understand? And you moved on with your study instead of me waiting to hold a class and get a hold of me and answer. See, when you're paying for somebody's course, you're not paying to attend a class. You are paying so that you get a proper understanding because you want to clear the exam. This is not a school where you get admission. This is you are paying to get a proper guidance. So it's very wrong to say that which class has more passing percentage. No, you are a dentist. Understand, ADC exam is checking your competence, not the course conducting person's competence. You understand my point? So this is the difference between my course and the others. I don't know if others have changed their method. I don't know about half of the others what they are teaching, but this is what I went through. This is what a lot of people have told me that they have went through. I do not conduct any online classes, but I do solve doubts on one-on-one basis. I will help you to strengthen your weak points if you ask me what they are. That's about it. I hope this video helps one and all. And yeah, best of luck for your exam.